Hello, Michael Kinsley here from Qtell Web Design here in Ireland, and I'm going to talk to you about search engine optimization for HTML web design. A lot of companies in Ireland are being, or in England, or I actually don't know England, but in Ireland are being held literally to ransom by the web developers. Search engine optimization is a simple way of getting your business to front page in the Google or Yahoo or the Bing. But people who design the websites, the search engine optimization, which they all talk about, that they all charge huge amounts of money for. And I went to India to find out, what's the going rates because India is fairly cheap. And it's €75 a girl was wanting out there a month. That's crazy money. And basically, search engine optimization, it will take the web developer about maybe 10 minutes to put in the keywords in when he builds the HTML website. Now, because I'm doing search engine optimization for many websites and I'm always looking at keywords, I don't even have to look at certain types of businesses what their keywords are because I can tell them straight off their head what they are in Google. Google tell me what people are searching on the internet, what's the biggest hits. So I know exactly where this particular website needs to be, what keywords and stuff like that. And just to prove a point, there was a company came to me from Cork called Rivers Edge Fitness. He's got two websites on the one server, and basically you couldn't edit in CS4 the second website because it was never actually added into the server that was hosting the original website. So I redirected the name server, took down the website, re-uploaded over the holidays. Now we're talking only Christmas here now. Basically put in the keywords, and it's a nice looking website, very smart, very clean. Not big on a lot of content, but you don't need a lot of content to get to page one. You just need good people behind you with search engine optimization. So basically, I took down the website, put it back up. It took 24 hours. I've given him an email address now, so he's all set up, hunky dory, can't go wrong. So I just go to show you what this actual website looks like. So I'm going to type in now. Now this didn't happen before Christmas now, and I'm going to type in Rivers. Right, so it's actually Rivers Edge. So there you go. Look, if you look down there straight away, you'll see Rivers Edge Fitness, and there's his other one. I can't even say it. It's Kung Fu one anyway. But that's what he has now in Google. There, he has them now. So now Rivers Edge. Okay, I know it's his domain. And let's type in fitness, and we'll see, what's he actually looking like. So basically, I didn't put the T in there. So let's put the T in there. Even without the T, it's still there, number 3. So we're going to put the T in there. So there it is there. And basically, before Christmas, you couldn't edit any of this stuff. Couldn't do anything. Basically nothing. So now, I only just threw this in over the Christmas just to see and submitted it through the IBP software, which I have done a video on, and that's what's come up. Now I've actually changed them again, so that'll actually change in the next few days. But just goes to show you, how did I get them to page one Google? I'm sure anyone can type in, a domain name and you will always show up. But he's actually a fitness center in Cork. So let's type in fitness. This is what people will be typing in. Fitness center. Cork. So he wants to stay local. And again, he's actually pulled up again. Rivers Edge Fitness Centre Cork. So there you go. So he's already there. But I'm not going to click on that. I'm going to click on Fitness Centre Cork. Pardon me. And I'm going to show you now where he wasn't before Christmas. but he is now. So he's actually number 2 on page 1. And the only reason why this other place is ahead of him is because they got a Google map. So he's now number 2, and he didn't have that before. So I've actually leapfrogged, and all these ones here on the right hand side are pay per click. So basically he has leapfrogged everybody in court, and he was up against some really tough guys here now. So he's actually gone past them. That's because I've done the correct search engine optimization, and it wasn't a fortune for this, and it's a one-time payment, and basically you're guaranteed results with the IBP software and the keywords. So okay, so we're going to have a look at fitness center. So yesterday he wasn't on the club. Now we're talking yesterday now. So I'm going to type in club. So now fitness club Cork. Nothing to do with his domain or nothing like that. And as you can see, again, the pay per click on the right hand side, the other little bits and pieces here, but he's number 3. Now there's other keywords which I put in there, like toning and personal training and stuff like that. That will all materialize shortly. And also in a week or so, Yahoo, Bing will all take him on. So there you go. That's how good HTML, and I'll show you the website. It's actually quite a nice website, very nice and clean. It's straight to the point. It's a fitness center. It's got the class, schedule, personal training, unisex, about us, and basically a fairly HTML website. And this is how HTML works. And basically I've put in these keywords, and if anybody clicks on the website, you'll actually find the keywords very easy. I won't show you how to do it. Web developers know how to do it, but I can find all the keywords, and I can find the keywords practically of any site. But I didn't go in and look at the competition before I actually did this. I just put in through the IBP software, found out what people are typing into Google, and literally done it that way. And this is where Google tell me what they're typing in. So this is the secret. I mean, there's nothing special about it, and web companies or web design companies throughout the world are just charging too much for search engine optimization. It's fairly straight. Basically, I've actually taken the site down from the original server, placed it on my own server, which is the GoDaddy server in America. So it doesn't really matter. The IP address is not important, particularly if the keywords are correct. And I do a 72.90 dollar. That's exactly the same. If the keywords are correct, everything's perfect. Business needs to get up, especially in these recession times. Business needs to save as much money as possible, and getting up in search engines is not a fortune. If you're paying anything over, if you're paying €75 a month, you're paying way over the odds. If you're paying 1,200, I think I was talking to one company there is paying, where is it now? In China, they're paying $20,000 a year for search engine optimization. Absolute crazy. Anyway, this is what I specialize in, apart from e-commerce, and I do HTML as well. So if you have an existing website and you want to get your website noticed, and it's costing you a fortune, come and speak to me. All I need is your server details, where it's hosted, and your FTP login details, and it's game over. That's it. You'll see a big promotion in your website if you're not getting it done, and it won't be cost you a fortune. So I'll leave my contact details. You can catch me on any Qtell web design or Qtell trader. It's all on the home page. And give me a bell, and we'll see how it works from there. Okay, thank you.